ECA remediation classes, not like the end of the world. I just as much as you can talk to me. So. Okay, thank you. Bye. I already got it.
Did you just say that to you?
What's your history social for?
Who do you have?
Yes, internet.
I want to see him.
What yours, John?
I ain't getting mad. I took one out his bag. And then I did probably now.
It's like it's right.
And I did a project.
Oh, that one's hard.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
That.
Wait, who do you have, Simon?
That one's not easy. These are easy. That is hard. Is that one of the actual problems you're supposed to do? Or did you make that up?
No, she was taking notes, and it's on the note. I could pull up the notes.
No, it's okay. I'm just telling you that one's like hard, and the whole front page you're on was easy. Because if there's 2 square roots, then it gets like deep. Like it's a lot. If there's just like this is easy.
Whoa. How do you remember?
I'm doing it forever, dude. Just like how you know the wrestling moves, how you know what to do when there's something.
Were you smart in high school?
I was. Math was my strength, but I was not like a teacher in high school. Alright, you good?
I mean, I hate that teacher.
Something crazy gonna happen here?
What's your percentage?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Oh, okay.
You got testing?
Like how?
I got it right here. 2 seconds.
What's going on, huh? No, that's what you think it too.
You took that video?
No, not really. Facebook.
Okay, those are those little sharks, right?
No, it's a camping.
Oh, it's a cat.
Did you eat the whole thing?
Man,
You can't, right?
the video was I could be
No, wait. It ate the whole thing.
Dude, that's nuts.
It cannot fit that whole thing.
Alright, I don't. Is you the only one?
Hey, where my grades? Show me. I know I got an F. I ain't worried about my grades. I think I got like.
Me too, G. Oh, God, no.
What was that?
My chicken or your vegetables. Who you got for smash?
How do I got that? Algebra 2, I just got 87 on the test.
Let me see mine, G. I ain't check mine. That was better.
That's what she said? Well, see, she's lying because she texted one of my students and said, hey, that's not working out.
She a bitch now, ain't she?
She has like a child.
Who?
Join.
Is she coming?
And they all look the same.
Let me see
Your
mine.
grades look the same.
I thought you were allowed to see her bonds though.
Just grades, we can't see detail.
Balls though. Yeah, I got like 2 classes.
Good.
Wait, hold on, wait.
Because he does everything on computers. He's got to do all stuff on his own time. I think that sucks. Are you bored down there? You like it?
Never. I be clowning, bro. For real.
My friend goes on church.
It's like that. It's like that.
Like he's on campus all day. He has like the teacher all the too. That's the easiest way to pass school. You still get it home.
You still get it home.
That's it, man.
No.
You barely even learn anything.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Wang, do you want to take your quiz today? W-A-I-N-G.
Is this yours?
What? Yeah.
This is dope.
Thanks. That thing would be tight on you, dude. Tight in the arm so I can see it. Okay, you can use any notes you want. You can use any review. Make sure you pay attention to these to help you review. Okay, calculate.
This is dope.
That's what I told him. I said it's tight in the arm.
It's an extra large.
I know, but it's like an old school extra large.
Rock
Yeah.
this bitch. You feel me?
My dad had it in his closet and he wasn't wearing it, so I was like, I want that.
For free?
Yeah.
You got another one?
I don't know.
How old is your dad?
50. 53, something like that. 54.
That's how old is my mom.
That'd be dope in my head.
Alright, ready?
4.
Everyone else took the quiz yesterday, right?
Yeah, both.
Quiz during the computer. Anyone need to finish it or anything? I think we're good. All right, here we go. Now, I chose these problems for a reason. Now, they're not the exact problems from the quizzes, but there are things that came up on the quizzes that I need to mention just to make sure. And then Antoinette brought an algebra 2 question she wants to go over real quick. I'll probably get you on the board because I'm sure everyone else has questions too. And then, oh, we got a short lesson today. Okay, here we go. Minus 3x, good.
Negative 2 equals 2x plus 18 minus.
Now, right here is where this is the reason why I want to show you this.
Minus 18.
It looks like we should add 2 on both sides. Because it's negative 2, just makes sense to add it. But if you do that, it makes this one side what?
0.
0. You can't do that.
I can't.
You have to have a variable on one side, number on the other. So if you were going to do that, you'd have to move the 2x over here.
How did a person come up with the way to do this?
I mean, it kind of makes sense. It's like balancing. Like balancing a
I wonder
scale.
how long it took them to
Oh,
draw.
I don't know. So then we subtract 18. That's how you have to do it. And you get negative 20. 2x divided by 2. So it's negative 10. If you got positive 10, then most likely you did it incorrectly. Okay, I just want to show you that. Number 2. Number 2 was like the first 3 questions on the quiz yesterday. Believe it or not, I had a bunch of students miss those because it's been a while since we've done those. All I wanted you to do was look at your denominator and do what? Multiply it. Now, you could have added 1 first. That's fine. I'm not going to say it was wrong. But what I wanted you to do is, because what happens to these 4s? They cancel and I'm left with 1x. Minus 4 equals 44.
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
48. Divided by 1.
Okay. Okay, the other thing. Guys, if you have a fraction, like 54 over 7. Okay, 54 over 7. Something you know does not divide. Just leave it.
Leave it.
Okay? Leave it. So many people were like trying to flip it and put it 7 over 54, or give me a decimal or mixed number. Just leave it. All right. Would it be beneficial? Are any of you else in Algebra 2 solving equations like this?
So, but that's easy.
I know, I just want to make sure.
No, that's not easy.
Do the one that I just showed you.
You want me to do that exact one? That's fine, but it might confuse people.
No,
Okay,
because
read
I
it.
know how
Okay,
to do
read it
it.
to me. Read it to me.
Which one's easier, the one we're doing now or the one we just did another class?
Okay, I know it's the.
What you're doing now
The
is
radical
easier.
the radical sign.
What we're doing now,
2x
beginning of algebra.
plus 4.
It's like doing it.
It's like using solving equation skills.
Radical sign x equals 1.
Okay, all right, I will help you. This problem is hard. I'm going to be honest. Okay, if you're getting this stuff, then you're good. So here we go. Okay, first thing I'm sure your teacher told you was to get rid of a square root, you have to square it. You can't do that unless you have it by itself. Well, right now I have a bunch of crap on this side. So we need to move this to the other side. Okay, we have to move that to the other side. So then I'm left with, what? Yes, I guarantee your teacher would add x squared for x first. Because you want to get the square root by itself, I promise you.
Well, I think I know.
Promise you, yeah.
Then you would square that,
So
right?
2x plus 1. Okay, give me a second though, Antoinette, okay? Now, can I add 1 plus square root x? No. So that's where it gets difficult. It's 1 square root x. Okay, now, this is why I'm saying it's a hard problem. You should all know your next step. How do I get rid of a square root? The little exponent, right? Well, here's the problem. I have to keep this together. That's where it gets tricky. This side's simple because what happens? Cancels out 2x plus 1. This right side is not simple. Whenever you have a parentheses that you're squaring, the exponent, what do I have to do? Yes, not double it, careful.
Every number.
You have to, what we call FOIL, or what I taught is distribute twice. Okay, you have to write it, oh my gosh. Okay, you have to write it like that. Then you have to do the old school, take the 1, right? So 1 times 1, 1 times square root x, 1 square root x. Square root x times 1, 1 square root x. Now, does anyone know what square root x and square root x is?
X2.
It's square root of x to the second.
That's all normal.
I know, but do you know what that is? It's just going to be x. I'll write square root x to the second first, though. I'll write that, but... Correct. Okay, so now we've done all the hard part. Now we just have to finish the problem. So we're going to combine like terms on the right side, just like we would in our class. So this would be 2 square root x, because 1 plus 1. Am I going too fast? This is hard. That's why I was not going to start with this. Antoinette wanted it. This is like what you did today on steroids. This would be the hardest thing you would do today in your classes.
How is pre-calculus so hard?
Oh, yeah. Sorry. So then square root, what am I missing? Square root of x is just x, okay? So then plus 1 plus x. All right. Does anyone know what to do next?
I think it was about bubble.
Does anyone know what to do next? I think she popped up. Yes. So now we want to get the square root of x by itself. That's what sucks about this problem, Antoinette. So I have to move everything but the square root of x to this left side. That's what I'm telling. That's why I didn't want to start with this problem. That's probably why she didn't. That's probably why she didn't get to it today. Okay, so I need to subtract 1. I need to subtract 1. Well, good news is what's going to happen there. Yep. I need to subtract x. It's like what you did today on steroids. I would not have done this in one day. I don't know. So 2x minus x is x equals 2 square root x. Okay, Antoinette, I'm close. All you gotta do is divide by 2. John, you get it. She's trying to look behind. Divide by 2. Okay. So I divide by 2. So now I have 1/2 x. Equals square root x. Now I do the same thing I already did once, Antoinette.
Still have to keep going.
You asked about this problem.
Yeah, because I wanted to see what it looked like. Because she went over it. She barely went over it.
She wouldn't have done this problem today, no way. So 1/2 x times 1/2 x.
Would they cancel?
Close. It'd be 1/4 x.
So X, so, hey, you have to divide
It's gonna x equals 0.
and 0.
0's 1, 0's. That's the stupidest problem in the world. You sure this was that problem?
Yeah. I wrote it down and put, for carbon. I put it out.
Big J shit. What's the deal? None, no.